Why do 90% of food lovers say our recipes are a game changer? Let's find out. Join our tasty community and discover mouth-watering recipes that will make you the star of any meal. Subscribe now and cook with us.
Hey there, food enthusiasts. Are you ready to dive into the world of culinary delights and unlock your inner chef? Today, I'm here to guide you through some fantastic recipe creations that will elevate your cooking game. So grab your apron and let's get started. First up, we're tackling a dish that's as delicious as it is simple. A classic spaghetti aglio e olio. Now you might be thinking, it's just pasta with garlic and oil, but oh, it's so much more. With the right technique, these humble ingredients transform into a mouth-watering masterpiece. Here's what you'll need: spaghetti, fresh garlic, high-quality olive oil, red pepper flakes, and parsley. That's it. The magic is all in how you combine them. Start by lightly sautéing sliced garlic in olive oil. You want it golden, not burnt, to infuse that oil with rich garlicky goodness. Next, while your pasta cooks, and make sure it's al dente, you'll mix it into that flavorful oil, adding a bit of pasta water to create a silky, emulsified sauce that clings perfectly to each strand. Finish with a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a touch of heat and freshly chopped parsley for a pop of color and freshness. Boom! What you have is a dish that's elegant in its simplicity, yet bursting with flavor. Perfect for a quick dinner or impressing your dinner guests. Ready for something a bit more adventurous? Let's move on to a dessert that'll satisfy your sweet tooth: homemade chocolate lava cakes. These decadent delights might seem intimidating, but they're surprisingly easy to make. You'll need dark chocolate, butter, eggs, sugar, and a little flour. The key here is not to overbake them. You want that center ooey and gooey, spilling out warm chocolate lava as soon as you dig in with your spoon. Serve it up with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, and you've got a restaurant-quality dessert right at your dining table. See how simple and rewarding cooking can be? Each recipe offers a new adventure, a new opportunity to create something wonderful. And that's what it's all about, bringing joy, flavor, and a bit of magic into the kitchen. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to start cooking. Try these recipes out, tweak them with your own creative twists, and share your culinary masterpieces with the world. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious adventures here at Culinary Recipe Creations. Remember, every dish tells a story. What will yours be?
You need to watch this if you love delicious recipes. Subscribe now to Culinary Recipe Creations for mouth-watering recipes every week. Don't forget to like and comment below. Happy cooking!